Setting up and growing a community is not easy, nor is there a hardcore playbook you can follow. The progress is slow and steady, but there are ways to make it smart and efficient. Hello guys, welcome back to Community Building 101. Previously, we talked about whether you should start a community or an audience. And in this one, we'll step it up to the next stage and talk about where to grow them. Well, to say the least, we know that your community is special to you, and special things deserve safe spaces. So which platform should you build your community on, and how do you grow it? Don't fret, we're going to answer your questions. So buckle up and let's enter the magical world of expansion. If I tell you that referral marketing is a secret sauce to community building and increased ROI, you probably won't believe me. But what if I showed you how a simple referral program helped Dropbox grow by 3,900%? No, I'm not a liar, and no, I am not kidding. Let me tell you the brand's metric history. In September 2008, it had 100,000 registered users, which grew up to 4 million registered users in December 2009, and then exploded to 33.9 million registered users in September 2017. Not only this, it also reached a $10 billion evaluation and a $1 billion revenue. The numbers are surely astounding and impressive. But let me tell you, growing ain't no child's game. Just like how a child peels the wrapper off a chocolate with slow and steady determination, I'll uncover the super secret strategy we use to grow our own community in the coming videos. When we were struggling to expand our community, instead of waiting for a knight in shining armor to come and help us, we built our savior instead. We called it the Scenes Community Engine. Let's break it down. Now, we've all heard the term product market fit. When a startup raises their first round of capital, their goal is to find product market fit, basically a market for what they're selling. Now, I'm going to let you in on a similar concept that we came up with: community market fit. Think of community market fit as gravity. When you're far, it feels like you're grasping blindly in the dark. You're not sure where to go. The closer you get, the stronger the pull. You start feeling acceleration. You're seeing more people join your events, your conversations, and more conversions to paid users. There's honestly no feeling quite like it. If you haven't understood yet, let me explain. The center of community gravity is narrative. Your distance from the right narrative shows how well your community appeals to the ideas of the users. As you get closer to the perfect narrative, you should feel the pull of members joining and engaging, accelerating your progress. For example, if you want to know more about how to create a narrative, our next video is going to talk about it. So switch on your post notifications and you'll get notified when it's out. Coming back to the point, I was saying that the first part of your journey is very important. You need to attract people, which is not easy. First, you need a top of the funnel. It could be your YouTube, it could be ads, it could be you sponsoring other newsletters or creators. Basically, anything and everything to get people into your community. With products, you always send people to a download app or visit this website link. But with communities, redirecting people to a forum or a chat they aren't familiar with is a recipe for disaster. Events are a much better landing page. At Scenes, we've thought about all of this and come up with a solution. Guess we're your knight in shining armor, huh? Just kidding. Either way, to direct people to the right place, Events have been inbuilt into scenes, despite how hard and expensive it is to do so. And if you want people to be able to set a reminder for the event via Google Calendar, Scenes does this by default too. Perhaps I wasn't kidding earlier when I said, Scenes is your savior. You should stop directing new community members to a chat or a tutorial. Please direct them to an event or a webinar where there's a human showing them around. Since events can't be a daily occurrence, you'll have to plan out your ads or inbound channels over the week for a weekend event. We did this on repeat for 11 straight months and have done this for multiple clients. It works like clockwork. And remember, right after the event, it's important to brief your participants about using chat and other asynchronous interaction channels. So once engagement has been secured, you can proceed to give roles to engaged members and focus on monetization and referrals. More on that in the next few videos. Also, don't forget to check out the solution for all your problems in the description. No, it's not my number. It's the link to the ultimate community platform.